So by now, let's assume that you've got your account already claimed, you've verified it, which means that now you can edit it and optimize it and do whatever else you want to with it. The best starting point is the most obvious one. Let's talk about your business name, a little bit of the subtleties involved here. Once you log in to Google My Business, you'll be taken to the dashboard. And it looks like this here. And if you want to edit your business name or update it, you go to the info choice on the left, and then anytime you see one of these little pencil icons, that means that that field is editable. And you can see that the name at the top, you can just click on the pencil icon, and then once you do, you'll be given a choice to enter a new name, modify the name you have. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind with this. First of all, Google tells you at the top, enter your business title as it appears to customers in the real world. That means that if customers know you by a DBA, use that. Horizon Web Marketing has it easy. Our DBA is also the name of our business. But for example, the Search Engine Academy, the corporate name is Search Pros International, but we are known to the world as Search Engine Academy, so that's the name we use in our Google My Business profile. The key thing is not to stuff service or location keywords into the title if they're not part of the business name. A lot of companies do this, and I regret to say at times you'll see that it works, but often it doesn't work. I did an experiment once with Horizon Web Marketing. I added Horizon Web Marketing SEO at the end, and fortunately we didn't get our listing banned, but Google just automatically changed it back to the way it had been before. So basically, if your business, as the example says there on the right, if your business is Joe's Pizza, don't enter it as Joe's Pizza Boston or Joe's Pizza We Deliver. Here's specifically what Google says on it. They say your name should reflect your business real-world name as used consistently on your storefront, website, stationery, and as known to customers. Now, the implication here is if you have not been consistent with the use of your business name, and some small companies are not, try to now move towards being consistent. Make sure that all these things do agree on what your business name is. And Google goes on to say, including unnecessary information in your business name is not permitted and could result in your listing being suspended. That having been said, Google does permit some leeway in certain specific situations. The one that comes to mind most quickly is that Google allows single office practitioners to be able to put both the name of their practice and the practitioner's professional name into the Google My Business name. Here's an example. We have a customer that does chiropractic services. His name is Dr. Thomas Foote, but his business name is Applied Chiropractic Center. In this circumstance, because a single practitioner is often known to their customers both ways, Google does permit it to be formatted like this with a colon and then the practitioner's name after the colon. Now, this would not work for an office where there are multiple practitioners. If you do think you might have an exception to Google's rule, then I'm giving you a link here that will take you specifically to their answer on this particular topic, and you can go check it out. Not a lot of exceptions are given here. Probably the single office practitioner is the most common one. So go ahead and make sure your name is consistent between your website, your signage, your Google My Business profile, and that way you'll be able to give Google a high level of trust when they are choosing which listings to display to searchers, that your listing is exactly the one that matches up with the business information that they have. Google is easily confused. We don't want them to be confused about your business name.